Looking for the fuse box in your Ford F-250 2000 to 2003? I'll show you exactly where it is and break down the diagram so you can find the right fuse quickly. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in 2000 and 2001 Ford F-250 models controls and protects interior systems such as power windows, door locks, interior lighting, and the radio using multiple fuses and relays. The passenger compartment fuse box in 2002 and 2003 Ford F-250 models manages and protects interior electrical systems such as the instrument panel, power mirrors, dome lights, and audio system using multiple fuses and relays. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in 2000 and 2001 Ford F-250 distributes and protects power for major engine systems such as the fuel pump, ignition system, and cooling fans using high current fuses and relays. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.